Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Sifu JJ. Today video is Snake Kung Fu for beginners in 2022. Let's go! Number 1, attention, both feet together, ready? Put both hands from down to the top, very fast, just like on guard position, you must ready for the fight. Number 2, what's up, Number 2, your left hand become a fist, blocking to protect your head, and you go snakes to attack the shoe, the other side, the same, and go attack and power out of the fingertips. Number 3. Number 3. You both hand from your waist, flat and coming out, and double snake. Double snake hand has double power. Your body lean forward just like a snake to attack the opponents. Number 4. Number 4. You have a swing attack by right hand and left hand and right. Let's count this way. So right. So real power and left, just light and takes out it again. So we go 1, 2, 3. So heavy, light, heavy. So 1, 2, 3. The stops. 1, stationary. 2, fit together. And 3. 1, 2, 3. Basics. Number 5. Elbow. From front and go back. Your left hand is a tongue. Attach this part and push. Can you handle? With this elbow, your opponents are flat, and someone coming behind you. So make sure you bend your knee right behind. Okay, you balance and solid stretch with some power. Basics. Number 6. The inside kick. You kick outside, go high you can, and you go inside and come down. Stop your left. Open your left hand. You make kick. Launching a circle back like this way, your right hand to attack, and left hand down and knee lift. Basics. Number 7. You both arm from the left to make a circle to the right. Come back the waist and both. You attack from down to up, 45 up and cross flat. Resting stance. 1, 2, 3. A step cross. Not too big, not too small. The right says stay center line. The center line. You go attack. The arm could be big or can be smaller. If someone attacked you, go blocking the hand and attack back with your snake hand. Combination number 1. What's the hand? Come back to your waist to make a big step. Your left, 45 this direction, big step, and you follow right and attack. Right here, the same thing to big step, blocking and attack. As soon you both hand back to your waist and you step your left side and attack. Your body lean forward and attack with your power. Step big and follow small. So step big and follow small. Step big and you follow. Like boxers, you go punch and you quick come back. You punch and you come back. Shoot. Combination number 2. In combo number 2, you attack different directions with different opponents. The first one, you go attack right this way, and someone coming behind, go boom, elbow to attack. And now, someone coming this way, you go boom, inside kick. And someone coming this way, you go attack. Wait, stay relaxed, but a quick twist, just like this. And you go twist and attack. you enjoyed the video Snake Kung Fu Lesson 1. In this lesson, you're learning 7 basics, 2 combination, 1 part of 4. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button if you're first time here. Thank you for watching. I see you in next video and bye bye.